Hey, what?
It's just there's so much of it. How long since you've stopped shaving?
A few days. It grows in really fast.
It's like animal fur.
It looks like that guy's hair from Counting Crows.
Yes!
Okay, all right. Everyone's having fun. Say goodbye to Mr. Jones.
Guys, I wrote a song for Lenny's party. Daryl, here are the lyrics.
His name is Lenny. It is not Jenny. One time he ate a penny, and he thought nobody saw. Is that true?
True enough, I changed the name of the guy who ate the penny from Gene to Lenny, and it was a nickel, and 2 pennies, and a tiny rock. Alright, follow my lead.
His name is Lenny. You know what? This key isn't working for me. Can we try it in D or E flat?
No can do.
Why not?
Cause no know how to do. I can only play in this key. And I don't know which letter that is.
Yeah, that's it. Here, let me see.
Are we playing in the right key?
Oh, yeah.
Well, that was a mess. Let's not do that again. Never. Right, guys? Okay, all agreed.
How was band practice, kids?
Good.
Fine.
I thought it was kind of weird. Right, guys? Didn't you think it was weird?
You mean when Daryl played your keyboard?
And you stood there looking terrified? Yeah, that was weird.
Daryl played your keyboard? Why?
You know how when you only know how to play in one key and the other people want to play in different keys and you're like, what's a key?
Whoa! Your armpit pores are really filling out.
You can barely see a rash anymore. Or your skin. Or anything behind you, Dad. Are you there?
Yes, see him right here, behind the armpit hair.
Oh, good.
I love it. Finally have pets. I'm calling them Laverne and Curly.
Too late, I already named them Harry and Sally.
Wait, one's a boy?
Obviously.
It's not a boy, it's a man.
No, it's not. I know if one was Billy Crystal. Everyone leave my pets alone.
That one just got angry when you got angry.
Enough!
So, Randy's cooking today?
Yeah, she thought she'd be more comfortable back there today.
I'm hiding my pets.
Glenn, would it help if I took off my shirt and show us solidarity? I got some weird stuff going on under here.
No, Teddy, no.
Coming on.
Surprise! As in surprise inspection.
Hugo. Hi, Ron.
I see you're busy as usual.
Just do what you gotta do, Hugo. Write me up for disorganized napkins or whatever.
Oh, count on it, Bob, I will. But let's inspect the kitchen first.
Hello, Hugo. Hi, Ron.
Hi, Linda.
Linda, something is unusual about you today. What is that?
What? Nothing. It's nothing.
Think fast. Aha!
Aw.
Linda here is in violation of Health Code, Title 21, Section A, Paragraph 8. Excessive body hair must be covered.
But I need to wear a tank top.
Need to? Why?
Because of this rash. Sheeta Jones. Big fan. Oh, yeah, she likes tank tops, too.
She does. She loves them.
Uh-huh. Well, I happen to have some armpit hair nets with me. Ron?
Here you go. Are you kidding me?
If you want to avoid a citation, you'll keep those on. Come on, Ron. Let's go down to the walk-in. Poke the produce. See what pokes back.
Great. Now we look ridiculous.
No, they look good.
Yeah, very, wow.
It looks like I trapped 2 hedgehogs under my arms.
It doesn't that much.
I love hedgehogs.
I gotta go.
Lynn, where are you going?
I'm shaving them.
Lynn, wait. Teddy, I'll be right back. I gotta go.
Go to her, Bobby.
Lynn, don't do this.
I'm doing it, Bob. I'm taking it all off.
The doctor said if you shave, you're just gonna make it worse. I can't believe I'm saying this, but leave the hair alone.
I hate this rash, Bobby. It's turning me into a monster.
You're not a monster, Lynn. Your armpits have monster qualities, but look, we're gonna fix this.
How?
First, you gotta give me the razor.
You're gonna do it?
Oh, I wouldn't go near that.
Bob,
We'd have to rent a hedge trimmer or hire like a lumberjack or something like that.
stop it.
Lynn, listen, we're gonna go on the internet.
Yeah.
We're gonna type in rash remedies.
Uh-huh.
And we're gonna see some horrible, horrible images, but we're also gonna get some help.
I love you so much, Bobby.
Guys, wait, did we have practice scheduled during lunch today?
Hey, Gene. Maybe, you should sit down.
Oh, good. I got here just in time for break. My favorite part of practice. Who's on whose lap?
Gene, there's a reason why we were practicing without you.
Because you guys need twice as much practice as me?
No, it's because we're making some changes, and, you are,
We know we should be in the band, and you shouldn't be in the band, sorry.
What? I'm out of the band? Well, good luck getting my sisters to play without me.
Oh yeah, they're out too. Yeah, we're sort of evolving away from straws.
The thing is, Gene, Rudy and Peter are trained musicians, and I kind of figured out how to sing all your keyboard parts.
You can't sing my part and sing lyrics at the same time?
Gene, he can. We've seen it.